Good day, dear students. This is Dr. Jairam, HR and advisor to CGP Career Revenues. So today we will talk about the most anticipated exam of this year, TCS NQT. So before we start, we would like to know what exactly is the eligibility of this examination. So those who are passing out in the year of 2024, okay, graduates as well as undergraduates, graduates as well as postgraduates, okay, that is bachelor of those people who have completed their degrees in Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering, Master of Technology, Master of Engineering, Master of Computer Science, Master of Science, that is MSc as well as MS, in any specialization which is offered by AICT or UGC recognized universities are eligible for an examination, for this examination. Now, what is the minimum percentage of mark? It is 60 percentage or 6 CGPA throughout academics, which is referred as the first class in India. Now, most of you have a query that if I have 6.8 CGPA, how do I convert it to percentage? As per TCS, it is 6.8 times 10, which is 68 percentage. Now, this only stands for TCS, this is not a standard practice. This only stands for TCS. Now, when it comes to the backlog, the candidate should not have any pending or active backlog at the time of appearing for TCS selection process. If selected, no pending backlogs will be permitted at the time of joining TCS. Age is around 18 to 28 years. TCS or TCS National Qualifying Test, as it is called as NQT, is a pan-India assessment to assess the best talents in the country. The registrations are open and the registration end date is around April 10th. So if you haven't applied, make sure that you apply within April 10, 2024. Now, when will be the test dates? TCS has tentatively announced that the test date would be from April 26 onwards. Now, when coming to the exam structures, TCS NQT is an integrated test consisting of two sections, foundation as well as advanced. While all are encouraged to attempt both sections, advanced section is mandatory if you are an aspirant for digital or prime. Now, what exactly is digital, ninja, prime? We'll come back to that. Now, based on the test performance, candidate will be shortlisted for prime, digital or ninja interviews. TCS NQT will be conducted in TCS ION centers. Now, this year, the exam will be non-adaptive nature. That means the toughness of the paper, the toughness of the question will not increase with the question. Last year, it was adaptive. That means the toughness of the question definitely increased. But here, it is going to be on a linear scale. No rough papers will be provided this year. And it is anticipated that there will be some sort of calculator, online calculator, which will be made available. However, this is not confirmed by TCS. So we are also not sure about that. Now, when it comes to the examination structure, there will be foundation as well as advanced. In foundation, there will be numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. So all the section will have 25 minutes as cutoff, and 20 to 25 questions will be there in numerical, verbal, or reasoning ability. Now, so totaling, there will be 75 minutes and 65 questions. Now, when you move to the section B, which is advanced section, there will be around 15 questions from numerical and reasoning, but only thing is the toughness of the question will be comparatively higher than the foundation. So these are advanced questions. You will be given 25 minutes for that. Now, in addition to that, you will have three coding questions. In the advanced coding section, you will be given 90 minutes. You are supposed to at least complete 2 questions. Okay. In fact, the ideal thing is you have to complete all the 3. When you're given 3 questions, it is anticipated that 2 questions will be average or above average. The last question obviously will be tough. So here you have 115 minutes and 18 questions. So totally you have 190 minutes and 83 questions. Now, most of the people would ask me, most of the candidates, who come for the practice sections would definitely ask me what exactly is Ninja Digital and Prime. So the key difference is obviously the package and the level or complexity of the job that you will engage. In Ninja, an undergraduate will get around 3.36 LPA and a postgraduate will get a slightly higher amount, which is around 3.53 LPA. Now here you will have to manage and support application development and managements, enhance system engineering for improved efficiency, explore cutting edge technology. Basically, this is an entry level job. So if you clear the first part of the examination and you have a decent mark in the second part also, you will be called for ninja. In digital, your offerings are slightly higher. An undergraduate will get around 7 lakhs, a postgraduate will get around 7.03. Here you will work on solution development and integrated projects. And you drive internal initiatives focused on modern technologies. You will be contributing to TCS innovative product development with framework and tools. Now, when it comes to prime, your undergraduate offer will be 9 lakhs and your postgraduate offer will be 11.5 lakhs. Here you will be engaged in complex projects utilizing advanced technologies as well as algorithm. Do remember that TCS goes to NITs and IITs and they take the student as prime. Now, when you attend a TCS NQT, the advantage is that you can get into Ninja, Digital, or Prime. You can also work with people who have been selected under Prime also. So make sure that you attend both the sections, foundation as well as advanced section in a neat manner. Now, how do I apply? You have to go to TCS Next portal as I've shown you. I will also add this link in the description. So you'll have to go to TCS Next portal. If you have already registered in the TCS Next portal, you will have to use your existing TCS reference ID. Or if you're a new user, you have to register. There is a tab which is called as Register Now, and make sure that you apply through IT, not BPS. Okay, so if you select BPS or BPO, it is actually non-technical. You will end up in some other area, and unfortunately, you will not be given a chance to write the examination. So you make sure that the category that you choose is IT. Now, once you finish off your registration part, you will have to click for Apply for Drive. Now, choose your preferred mode of test and select your preferred test center and click on Apply. Now, this when you are done with this, please make sure that you check the Track Your Application tab. And in the track, if everything is right, in your Track Your Application tab, it will be showing Applied for Drive. If it is showing something else, make sure that you go back and do all the necessary steps. So if it is in the Track Your Application tag, if it is applied for Drive, that means TCS has received your application. Else, something has went wrong. Now, let me go syllabus in detail. As I've told you, there is reasoning ability, numerical, and verbal. In reasoning ability, there will be number and word series, hitting arrangement, coding, decoding, blood relationship, direction sense, figure and factual analysis, cue folding, paper cuts and fold decisions, statement and conclusion, syllogism, and data sufficiency. When it comes to numerical ability, there will be number system, divisibility, number, and decision fractions, number systems, HCF, LCM, mensuration, which includes geometry, shape, area, perimeter, arithmetical ability, which includes ages, age, average. Then you have equation, probability, percentage, profit and loss, time, clock, calendar, ratio, expression, which comes under allocation and mixture, speed, distance, time, permutation, combination. So elementary statics, which involves mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance, data interpretation also. Now, when it comes to verbal ability, there will be questions from word completions and completion, error identification, arrangement, formal or informal sentences, arrangement of formal and informal sentences, sentence joining. Okay, then it will roughly called as parajumbling, meaning reading comprehension and close test. It's not CLO-SC, it is CLO-IZA. Okay. Now, when it goes to coding, as I told you, there will be 3 questions. 2 questions will be moderate and third question will be obviously tougher. And you are expected to complete the coded questions in 90 minutes. You can use any of these languages, C, C++, Java, or Python. Command prompt will be given where you will have to basically type in your response to the questions. Now, why CGPA? We have got a dedicated course which spans around 40 to 60 hours online. We have live as well as recorded session. Usually our live sessions will be at 8 o'clock. Now, everything is included in the package. That is, we will cover both advanced as well as foundation section. And those people who are clearing these rounds will we will also give you uh, interview assistance. Okay, so we will have an exclusive 20-hour coding challenge and a comprehensive coverage of exam modules. There will be a minimum of 8 to 10 pattern tests. We collect questions from TCS Launchpad, TCS Ion Center. So this is how you will have the maximum number of previous year questions. Okay. Now, if you want to join our course, make sure that you call this number 9895603342. And once you have a mentor, you'll be talking to a mentor, and you when you decide the package and etc., you can you can say, you can spend the amount, you can send the amount to us using the UPI code as I given you, as we have given you, or you can directly GP to this particular number and fill in the form. I will give you these details in the description of the video. So thank you very much for being with us for this informative session. We'll come back with certain interviews from the ex-TCS persons. Thank you. Thank you very much.